Did you know your body loses about 1% of its collagen every year after age 25? By the time you hit your 40s, the loss becomes visible, skin looks duller, thinner, and fine lines deepen into wrinkles. If you want to age gracefully, this hidden shift in your biology is something you simply cannot ignore. Collagen is not just about beauty. It's a foundational protein that makes up over 75% of your skin's structure. It acts like scaffolding, keeping everything firm, hydrated, and smooth. But starting in your 30s and accelerating after 40, your body's natural collagen production drops sharply. That's when many people notice their skin losing elasticity, becoming more fragile, and lacking that youthful glow. So what's behind this decline? Several factors accelerate collagen loss: sun damage, stress, pollution, smoking, and poor nutrition. Even if you've never smoked or tanned, your collagen production naturally slows with age. But here's the empowering news. This process can be slowed, and in some cases, visibly improved. How? By replenishing your collagen with targeted supplements and protecting the collagen you still have. The most effective type for glowing skin is type 1 collagen, which makes up the majority of the collagen in your dermis. Marine collagen, especially hydrolyzed marine collagen, is rich in this type and is also more bioavailable than bovine alternatives. That means it's absorbed faster and more completely, exactly what your aging skin needs. When combined with vitamin C, your body is better equipped to turn those amino acids into new, firming collagen fibers. Even more powerful? Add hyaluronic acid, which draws in moisture and gives your skin that smooth, dewy texture. So here's a thought. When was the last time you checked the type of collagen in your supplement? Is it doing what your skin really needs? Or is it the wrong kind, poorly absorbed, or missing key cofactors? Stick with us, because in the next section, we'll reveal the most effective marine collagen combination that real people over 40 are using and loving. Marine collagen, the glowing secret of age-defying skin. Here's something you may not know. Marine collagen has up to 1.5 times better bioavailability than bovine collagen. That means your body absorbs it faster and more efficiently, an important advantage as we age and nutrient absorption slows. This matters a lot after 40, when your skin's natural type 1 collagen levels begin to plummet. Marine collagen, extracted from fish skin and scales, is rich in type 1, the same type your skin is made of. That's why it's especially effective for firming, smoothing, and restoring that youthful glow. A 2021 study published in Marine Drugs found that women who consumed marine collagen daily for 12 weeks saw significant improvements in hydration, elasticity, and wrinkle depth. But here's the real game changer. It's not just about the collagen. It's about what you take with it. For collagen to work optimally, your body needs vitamin C, which acts as a cofactor in synthesizing new collagen fibers. Without it, even the best collagen won't produce the same results. Another powerful combo? Hyaluronic acid. It holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, helping your skin stay plump and deeply hydrated. The triple blend, hydrolyzed marine collagen, plus vitamin C, plus hyaluronic acid, one of the most effective stacks for visible skin transformation after 40. It's available in powders, capsules, and even ready-to-drink bottles, making it easy to fit into your daily routine. For best results, look for hydrolyzed peptides from wild-caught sources, with no added sugars or fillers. And always read the label. Some products market themselves as collagen-rich, but contain very little of what your skin actually needs. If you've tried marine collagen before, what changes did you notice? Did you feel a difference in your skin's texture or hydration? Let us know. Your experience could inspire someone else. Coming up next, we'll break down the best time and method to take collagen for maximum glow, because how you take it matters just as much as what you take. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. The right way to take collagen for maximum glow. Let's bust a common myth right away. Taking collagen once in a while won't do much, especially after 40. If you're serious about getting visible results, daily consistency is key. Your body needs time to absorb and rebuild. When you take collagen consistently over 8 to 12 weeks, that's when the magic starts. But just as important as frequency is how you take it. The best time to consume collagen is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Why? Because collagen competes with other proteins for absorption. If your stomach is full, collagen might get broken down and diverted to less visible tasks, like repairing muscles or organs. Pairing your collagen with vitamin C is also critical. Vitamin C helps your body actually build new collagen from the peptides you ingest. No C, no synthesis. You can take it as a supplement or get it from food. It's like oranges, strawberries, kiwi, or even broccoli. Now let's talk about form. Is powder better than capsules? In most cases, yes. Powdered collagen offers a higher dose and can be mixed into smoothies, coffee, or tea without affecting taste much. Capsules work fine too, but you may need several to match the same amount of collagen found in one scoop of powder. Also, be picky with your product. Look for hydrolyzed peptides. That means the collagen has been broken into small, absorbable units. Bonus if it comes from wild-caught marine sources, free of sugar and additives. Still not seeing results? Think about the rest of your routine. Are you getting enough sleep? Are you hydrating and avoiding collagen-damaging habits like smoking or eating too much sugar? All of these factors matter. Collagen isn't a magic bullet, but taken the right way, with patience and purpose, it does work. How long have you been taking collagen? And are you pairing it with the right support? Stick around. Next, we'll dive into powerful lifestyle habits that preserve your collagen and protect your glow for years to come. Protecting your collagen. Inside and out. Even the best collagen supplement won't work if your lifestyle keeps tearing collagen down faster than it can build it. That's why protecting the collagen you already have is just as important as taking more. Let's start with your skin's biggest enemy, sun exposure. Ultraviolet or UV rays break down collagen fibers deep in your skin. Even short exposure without sunscreen can accelerate wrinkles and sagging. So make SPF a daily habit, even if you're indoors near windows. Next is sugar. Eating too much sugar leads to a process called glycation, where sugar molecules bind to collagen, making it brittle and stiff. That leads to dull skin, deep lines, and reduced elasticity. Try cutting back on sugary snacks, soda, and processed carbs. Now let's talk about stress. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that suppresses collagen production and speeds up skin aging. You may not be able to eliminate stress entirely, but you can manage it. Breathing exercises, walks in nature, or 10 minutes of meditation can help lower cortisol and protect your skin. Another hidden collagen killer? Poor sleep. During deep sleep, your body enters repair mode, and this is when collagen is naturally restored. If you're skimping on rest, even the best skincare and supplements may not help. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Also, consider hydration. Dehydrated skin is more prone to damage, and collagen fibers lose flexibility when water is lacking. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active or in a dry environment. Want a pro tip? Include collagen protective antioxidants in your diet, like vitamin E, polyphenols, and flavonoids found in berries, green tea, and leafy greens. We've linked a video in the description with more anti-aging lifestyle tips that work beautifully with your collagen routine. Check it out. What are your current habits like? Are they helping or hurting your glow? As we wrap up in the next section, we'll bring together everything you've learned and add extra techniques to help you glow from the inside out. Extra tips and final thoughts for collagen. Glow after 40. You've now discovered the most effective types of collagen, the timing that matters, and how lifestyle either supports or sabotages your skin. But if you're serious about glowing skin after 40, it's time to go even deeper. Let's talk about food-based support. Your body needs more than collagen peptides to rebuild itself. It also needs cofactors like zinc, copper, proline, and glycine to help produce collagen naturally. You can get these from bone broth, egg whites, pumpkin seeds, sesame, spinach, and citrus fruits. Adding a dash of lemon to warm water in the morning is a simple way to activate your skin's glow potential. Don't overlook topical stimulation either. Skincare products with retinol, peptides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid can stimulate your skin's outer layers and enhance collagen activity. A weekly gentle exfoliation can help those ingredients penetrate better and speed up skin cell turnover. Want something free that really works? Try facial massage or face yoga. Simple movements like upward strokes with your fingers, jade rollers, or gua sha tools improve circulation and reduce puffiness. They also stimulate the skin's natural healing and regeneration response. Just 5 minutes a day can improve tone, reduce tension, and even make collagen supplements work better. What about lifestyle? Cutting sugar and ultra-processed foods reduces inflammation and collagen breakdown. Good sleep hygiene, staying active, and managing daily stress all protect the results you're working so hard to achieve. Even deep breathing before bed can reduce cortisol and promote better skin repair while you sleep. Now, a few cautions. If you're allergic to fish, avoid marine collagen and opt for high-quality bovine collagen with type 1 content instead. Always check for added sugars, artificial flavors, and heavy metals in the ingredient list. Stick with hydrolyzed peptides for best absorption. Glowing skin isn't just about vanity. It's a reflection of your inner wellness and self-care. and it's absolutely achievable at any age. So build the habit, stay consistent, and trust your process. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below. Transform your aging skin with science-backed atomic habits. Discover dermatologist-approved secrets for 40-plus skincare. Let's watch the next video here.